Then lift the front end of the rear seat up and remove the cushion from the vehicle. The fuel pump access cover. Disconnect the electrical connector from the fuel pump fuel level sending unit. Clean up any dust and debris from above the fuel pump. Disconnect the quick connect fitting from the fuel supply line and set the supply line aside. Use a rag to soak up any spilled fuel. Make a mark across the top of the module, locking ring, and the fuel tank to aid in correct alignment when the assembly is reinstalled. Remove the fuel pump lock ring. A pair of channel locking pliers can be used to turn it counterclockwise. Lift the fuel pump assembly from the tank. Carefully angle it as necessary to protect the float arm and float from damage. If equipped, disconnect the fuel tube quick connector and also the sub-fuel level sensor module harness electrical connector from the bottom of the module. Remove the fuel pump module. Remove the O-ring, clean the O-ring surface, and install a new one before installing the pump unit.
طبعا نسويها لاحظنا هذه القطعه اللي تنشم الطبقه اللي تثبت به كليبس هذا الكليبس فقط نسحبه راح نخلص اول وحده بعدين الثانيه اللي تثبت به سبرينج ايضا نفس العمليه هذه اللي يبقى عندك الكليبسات هذه او الفيش من عند تثبت لاحظوا تثبت بسكه نسحبه الخارج
Connect the fuel tube quick connector to the bottom of the new module, then connect the sub-fuel level sensor electrical connector, if equipped. Install the fuel pump module into the tank, taking care not to damage the float arm. Be sure the pump is installed in the correct orientation, with the reference marks aligned. The two tangs on the pump flange should point toward the front of the vehicle. Install the new pump lock ring in the correct orientation, then tighten it securely, a little at a time, working around the lock ring with the channel locking pliers. Connect the fuel supply line to the top of the pump. Connect the fuel pump module electrical connector. Install the fuel pump access cover and secure it with retaining clips. Install the rear seat cushion. Pull the belt buckles up above the seat, then secure the retainers at the front end of the seat cushion.